Hi, I'm Lauren with Alliance Concrete Pumps. Welcome back to Tech Tip Tuesday. Recently we've been talking about some of our bigger pumps that have multi-steer axles, and they can have a system on them called VSE. So it's an electronic assist, power assist, drive-by-wire. Right here we have the control box, and this is at the back of the pump. It contains a computer and some hydraulic components. This little screen can be used for going through menus and checking settings. Now if you hit any big bumps, rough job sites, you may need to get in and check some of these settings, recalibrate. If you need help with that, you can contact us at Alliance for the information. Here we are at the front of a truck, and we're going to check the reservoir. I'm just using a pointer. This box mounted on the side of this truck contains fluid. We talked about that last episode. Now you can check the oil level on this. It does have an air regulator on it, so you should bleed that air off before you pull this cap off, or you might get splashed with oil. So it's important to check that oil level, and as we said, you should change that after the first year. And keep an eye on your systems. If you need any information on these technical systems, please contact us at Alliance. Thank you.